Hey guys, and welcome back. Today we're going to be talking about what you should do after you win a vehicle. These are small tips and how-to steps. I'm going to be using this car for an example. 2009 Escalade. We did win this vehicle. I'm going to go over it with you guys. After I won the auction, it told me I won the vehicle. When you want to know you won a vehicle, even if you got confused through the auction, if you're not listening to the audio, you want to go to Win Vehicles. Once you're on Win Vehicles, if you do not see your vehicle under to be paid, you want to go to award pending vehicle. If your vehicle is under award pending, that does mean you did not win the vehicle yet. It is under award pending, which means you didn't meet the reserve. For an example, if they were looking for $10,000 and you put a bid in for $925, is which happened today. This morning my vehicle was under award pending. After an hour of them reviewing it, they gave it to me for lower than they were looking for. I did win the vehicle for $925. There was a buy it now for $9,900. My total is up on top right here. Even if you win multiple vehicles, there'll be a total up on top how much you have to turn in. It does give you a breakdown on each vehicle right here. If you would like to learn a little more about that, I do have a video. You can click the suggestion bar right there. We're going to be talking about these due dates. You do have 2 days to pay for the vehicle. I'm going to list a few ways to pay the vehicle on the screen. I do highly recommend a wire transfer so you don't get these late fees. A late fee of $50 or 2%, whichever is greater, per day. So if you miss it by 2 days, you might be paying $100 or 2% of your vehicle. Pickup day. It does give you the last day you can pick up the vehicle without collecting a few late fees. You do have 4 days plus your auction day. So you have a total of 5 days to pick up a vehicle. How to actually have someone pick up your vehicle if you're not picking it up yourself? It's very, very simple. You want to talk to the tow truck driver. You'll want to give them the stock number, which is right here, and your buyer number, which is on top, which is different for everyone. And then they'll just release the vehicle. He'll sign some paperwork, and that's it. If the vehicle isn't paid, they'll deny him to get it picked up. From there, you must have some trust through your tower and yourself to have him bring it back because he has it on his truck. The title, it might be on how you set up your account. It might be given to the driver or shipped to the address you have on file. I always, even if you have it on file that you want it shipped to your house or whatever address you have, I always ask the tow truck driver if you have the title. Even note, I always ask them for extra keys or anything else because that does help you out when you do sell the vehicle. Once your vehicle is under to be picked up, that does mean your wire transfer did go through. Once your vehicle is picked up, it'll be moved over to purchase history, where you can see all your vehicles that you did purchase. Other than that, there's nothing more to be talked about. If you do have any questions, please ask them below. This video was made for a subscriber of mine. He did ask me a question in my last video. I was making this for him. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave them down below. If you liked the video, if you learned anything from it, give it a like. If you want to learn more, give me a subscribe. I'm going to be coming out with a playlist of step-by-step from making an account to way advanced things, because these videos are a little for getting the new guys pretty much. So other than that, thank you for watching. Thank you for the like and subscribe. Thanks for the support. Have a good day.